Over here. The question is two straight, infinitely long and thin parallel wires are spaced 0.1 meter apart and carry a current of 10 ampere each. Find the magnetic field at a point uh, a distant zero point 0.1 meter from both the wires in the two cases when the current in the same and in the opposite direction. Okay, so let's solve this question. So D is given to us, that is zero point 0.1 meter. Okay, and current is how much? 10 ampere. Current is flowing. Since the point P is at the equal distance from both the wires A and B, okay, so we can write the magnetic field is equal to how much at point P, okay, so B is equal to mu naught times 2I by basically 4 pi d, okay. So on solving this particular thing, what we are getting with, so we are getting this D becomes T by 2, that's why I have written here 2I. Why? So these are two wires, current are flowing, maybe in the same or opposite direction. I'm just calculating the magnetic field at this point, P. Okay. So the distance become d by 2. That's why this become 2I. Okay. So now let's solve it further. So B becomes what? Mu naught by 4 pi is basically 10 raised to the power minus 7 times 2 multiplied by current. Current is 10 ampere. Okay. By distance between the wires is zero point 0.1. Okay, so this become 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 Tesla. So this is the value of magnetic field. So now in the very first case, when the current in the same direction, when current is in the same direction, this is the case number 1. So what will happen uh, now? So as the magnetic line of forces of current carrying wire concentric, okay, because the field lines are something like this, concentric field lines will be produced here, okay. So BA will be perpendicular to AP, okay, and what is BA? That is because of the first one, okay, and now this is A, this is P, okay, this is magnetic field because of A, this is perpendicular to AP, and similarly for B we can say the same for B as well. So if they are in the same direction, so BA and BB, magnetic field due to A and magnetic field due to B, making an angle of how much angle they are forming with each other. So in that particular case, when the current is in the same direction, so they are making what angle? That's the case we need to solve, okay. So basically when they are in the same direction, so the angle, if current is same, so basically we can say they are out of page, okay, making an angle of 60 degree. Basically the angle form is 60 degree. So if angle forming is 60 degree, so in that particular case we can write magnetic field as, magnetic field at that point is 2b cos 60, okay. So what is 2b cos 60? So twice of magnetic field we have already calculated, 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 into cos 60 is half. So this becomes 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 Tesla, okay. When the current in the same direction, opposite direction, so in that particular case the magnetic B and BB will making an angle of 2 pi by 3 in that case, okay. So if they are forming an angle of 2 pi by 3, so that means 2b cos of 2 pi by 3, cos 120 is minus half. So minus of B means minus of 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 Tesla, okay. So this is the answer. These are two answers which we are getting right here, okay. So that's how we can solve such a type of question
Hello guys.
easily, okay. And Now basically let's see how they are making that angle. So it is like this. Okay, so I'm just pictorially represent that figure. Okay, so this is a kind of figure when they are in the same direction. This is the figure for A. Okay, so basically we need to represent both the things in the one figure itself. Okay, so this is 60 degree actually, and these dots represent current is flowing in the same direction. Okay, this is 0.1 meter apart, and this is point P we have. Okay, and so basically because of this wire, field is like this, and this is B1, and because of the second one, the direction is something like this. Okay, so now this is the kind of figure we have, and in the second case we can again forming the figure, but in the opposite direction current are flowing like this, and this time the magnetic field is something like this, that this is B2, this is B1, and they are forming angle of 120 degree from each other. So hope this answered your question. Thank you very much.